I hear no noise, man.
I know it needs to do it.
That's good.
I'm a wheel straight.
No, it's facing that way.
I need an alignment, man. Which way is it?
Right there, right there.
Right there?
Yeah, that's a little bit more. Right there. That's straight.
Look at this. Wow, look, I'm going straight. Wow.
What we got over here, bro? My warehouse. Dude, look at all that dust, man.
Yeah, it looks like my engine bite.
This thing was fucking up shadow. Remember, it wouldn't turn on after I turned it off?
Yeah.
So it was this shit. They had to cut it off. That's it.
What the hell is it?
It's like a little fuse box that
It doesn't need it?
I don't know what it does, but now guess what the beer injectors that I got? The injectors have their own fuse shit. I need this right here.
Oh, never mind. Look at that hole right there. Turn it around. God damn.
Time to flip those tires.
I've been trying to flip these tires for ever since I got the tires. I've been trying to flip them. I think it's been like 4 months already, man.
Man, you gotta put some love into this thing. They gave you some fun yesterday.
Yeah, I gotta treat it better.
Yeah, redo these lights. Look a little yellow.
I need to glue this. I'm gonna glue this. Look at this, guys.
Oh, what is that?
With a little bit of glue will help out.
You got some tape in there, man.
I don't have silver tape. I got black.
Oh man, I don't know what upgrades I would get after paint your hardtop.
After what you just got.
Man, I'm trying to save up for a GTR, dude. And you're spending money. Maybe I should just get a supercharger.
You could get a 370Z, man.
Nah,
Imagine a brand new one.
those things are fun, but it's not what I want. Like I just want to have one. Maybe I just want to drive one.
Yeah, once you drive one, you're gonna be like, dude, I want one. Down. This is the R18, ZR18. I don't know what that shit means. 47W, 47H. You know the 47? That has to do with like the speed limit or like how fast you can take those wheels to.
Yeah.
They told me like, man, these can only go up to 120. This car is you're supposed to get wheels that are set for 160. And I was like, well, I got what I got, man.
Damn, you're all about cleaning your car today, huh?
Trying to set my game up, man. Taking me out, bro.
It's about time.
Yeah, it's about time I get a day off so I can.
Hey. Dude, I've been working a lot too, man. Actually, I had to request some days off to have 2 days off.
Why do we work so much, man? What are we trying to buy that we're working so much?
What are you trying to buy?
I just gotta pay rent, bro. I gotta have a house to live in, bro.
Shit.
It might be in the middle of the list, bro. I don't know. It just depends, man. It depends on the time that it takes to install it.
Man, I need to make a list too, man.
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna go to Walgreens, buy one of those big flat white pieces of paper.
The construction paper, the ones for school.
Yep.
Yeah.
And I'll make my own list.
Billy Boy Design. And tell them to hook it up with the white banner right here. And then you'll be able to put whatever vinyl you want on top of the sticker.
So the banner's just gonna be a white plane,
it's just gonna be white.
and then you
right
put
here.
the name or whatever on top.
You know what name I'm gonna put? I'm gonna put Shoes Garage.
Hey,
Yeah. It's gonna look clean.
comment and think if we should do that.
With the white, maybe in the silver. Shoes Garage. Or the oil slick.
Oh, shit.
Alright. Turn that camera off. We're talking too much right now.
Gotta fill up, guys. There's a meet tonight. I don't know if Fishy's gonna make it, but I know Jose wants to go. So I'm filling up on the 85. You never know what's gonna happen. Hopefully it turns out into a good meet today. What happened, man?
You didn't tell me you ran over a crow and I ran over it too, bro. It's just my lip isn't as good as yours.
Mine's made out of fiberglass, dude.
Fuck it tomorrow.
She'll be alright.
Yeah,
I'll be alright for now.
God damn, things are getting crazy. Where do I park? Damn.
What do you think about that, bro? I want to bring the G in here.
Breathe. You want to breathe? Slide it once and fucking pick up. That guy's crazy.
He's coming back. He'll come back. U-turn. Back in. Shit in my eye.
You got some rubber?
Yeah, I should have he doesn't want to get blocked in here. The whole post will
I know, man.
Ready, Nick?
hopos show up. We had a dip. God damn, there's a bunch of people here.